All right, today we're going to talk about HappyKava. And look, this is way more than just another app on your phone. It's a full-blown digital operating system, specifically built from the ground up to help local kava bars not just survive, but actually thrive.
So let's start with the million-dollar question for any independent bar owner, right? It's a slow Tuesday night, you've got the best drinks, you've got a great vibe, but the place is empty. How do you actually get people to walk through that door, especially when it's not a Friday or Saturday?
The truth is, these bar owners are juggling a ton of problems all at once. I mean, they're trying to fill those slow nights, build genuine loyalty that goes way beyond a flimsy paper punch card. And they're usually doing it without the fancy, expensive tech tools that the big chains have. So they're just kind of guessing which promotions are hitting the mark, all while trying to keep things from falling apart during a crazy busy shift. It's a lot. So how do you fix all of that? Well, Happy Kava's approach is to stop looking at these as a bunch of separate problems. They see it as one big, connected challenge. And that kind of challenge needs a single, really powerful solution, which they call a digital operating system. Now, this quote right here, this is what really caught my eye. It completely changes how you think about it. This isn't just a list of bars like you'd find on Yelp. They're calling it a full-stack growth engine, an operations system, and a promo infrastructure layer. I mean, those are some pretty big, bold claims, right? So let's actually unpack what that means in the real world. Okay, so here's the key. A digital operating system, for our purposes, is one single unified platform. It puts marketing, daily operations, and community building all together in one spot. Think about it. It's like giving a small local bar owner the power of an entire corporate headquarters, but all manageable from a single dashboard. All right, let's pop the hood and look at the engine. We're going to dive into the specific tools a bar owner actually gets to use to make all of this stuff happen. And this right here shows you the core idea perfectly. On the left, you've got the owner's portal. They're creating a buy one, get one deal. They can set the exact days, the times, all of it. Now, the second they hit save, boom, it instantly shows up in the customer app on the right. It's live, people can see it, and they can start heading to the bar. It's direct, it's fast, and it's incredibly powerful. Here's another really smart example of how they connect the digital world with the physical one. So on the left, that's the digital menu studio. The bar owner can build this beautiful, slick online menu. But here's the magic trick. With just one click, the system takes that same info and generates a printable flyer with a QR code. It's perfectly designed and ready to be put on every table in the bar. No graphic designer needed, no waiting, it's just done. So picture this. It's 8 p.m. on that slow Tuesday we were talking about. This is the owner's secret weapon. It's the broadcast announcement tool. They can blast out a targeted alert for a 2-hour flash sale, or let everyone nearby know that a live band is about to start playing. It's like having a direct line to every potential customer in the area to get them in the door right when you need them most. And you know, this isn't just for the owner sitting in a back office. This screen here is called Kava Tender Mode. It's built for the staff who are right there on the front lines during a rush. It gives them a live look at who's checking in, which deals are active, and a scanner to validate everything. It's all about making their shift smoother, the service faster, and just getting rid of all that confusion. Okay, so we've seen the powerful stuff happening on the bar's side of things. Now let's flip it. Let's look at how all those tools actually create a way better experience for you, the customer. For most people, the whole journey starts right here, with discovery. And this is the platform's big, clever hook, the HappyKava Passport. The source material nailed the description. They called it basically Pokemon for Kava. And that's exactly what it is. It turns visiting different bars into a game where you collect stamps, you unlock achievements, and you earn real rewards. It makes exploring new places a total adventure. So once you're in the app trying to decide where to go, this is what you see. It's super clean, super simple. You can just browse all the deals happening right now or see what's coming up later in the week. And you can even filter by what you're in the mood for: kava, kratom, coffee, whatever. It just makes it incredibly easy to find the perfect spot and the perfect deal for your night. But the experience doesn't just stop once you walk in the door. After you check in, the app unlocks new things to do, like this in-app game called Bull Rush. You can actually play and compete against other people in the bar on a live leaderboard that's unique to that location. It adds this really fun social layer to the whole experience that goes beyond just ordering your drink. Okay, so the platform seems great, the experience seems fun, but does any of it actually work? Let's look at the numbers and see what the vision is for the future. I mean, this user growth chart really tells the story, doesn't it? You see, back in January of 2025,
they had around 5,700 users. Fast forward just a little over a year to late February 2026, and they've practically doubled to over 11,000. That's the kind of crazy momentum that tells you this idea is really catching on with the community. But total users, that's only part of the story. This number right here, this might be even more important. We're talking about daily active users. By February 2026, over 1,700 people, on average, were using this app every single day. That's not just a download, that is real, consistent engagement. It proves the platform has become a part of people's daily routine. So, what's the game plan to keep this thing growing? It's all about what they call their growth flywheel. It's a simple 3-step process. First, you acquire new customers with that fun, gamified passport. Then, you engage them with awesome deals and in-app games that make them want to come back. And finally, the next big feature is a regulars loyalty system, which is designed to retain those customers and turn them into a reliable source of repeat business. Acquire, engage, retain. And all of this brings us to this final quote from the founder, which I think really gets to the soul of this whole project. It's a reminder that this isn't some huge tech company just trying to make a buck off a new industry. This is a platform that was built from the Kava community for the Kava community. And its survival, its ability to keep building, depends entirely on the support of the very bars it's designed to help. And that really leaves you with a big question. Could this be the new model for how small independent industries can build their own tools to compete and win in a digital world?